Hey guys, it's Justin again with Vintage Trailer Works. I'm going to take a second to explain the electric brake system to you. Our trailers, you can option in to add electric brakes to your trailer. Most of our campers, the Overland package and above, will come standard with electric brakes. The way they work is you will connect your trailer and your tow vehicle via this 7-way plug. It's a 7-blade flat plug, and your tow vehicle has to be equipped with a brake controller in order to activate the brakes. So what happens is when all of those things are connected and working properly, when you press the brakes on your tow vehicle, it activates the brakes on your trailer. And they are self-adjusting brakes, so over time the brake shoe will actually continue to adjust itself, so you don't have to go in and continue to adjust the brake shoes yourself. So when you get the electric brake package, we include a breakaway switch here. And what this breakaway switch does is it is powered by 12 volts, so you'll have to be connected to a 12-volt battery in order for this breakaway switch to operate. But what this does is that you'll hook this to your tow vehicle, and in the event that the tow vehicle and the trailer are separated, it'll pull this pin and it'll activate the electric brakes so they lock up and prevent any major damage.